In an era when sharp angles ruled the road, the 1937 Chrysler CW Airflow Major Bose emerged as a stunning defiance of convention and aerodynamic masterpiece, decades ahead of its time. Named after Major Edward Bose, a famed radio personality who championed American talent, this ultra-luxurious variant of the Airflow line wasn't just a current, it was a statement. With its flowing, teardrop silhouette and integrated headlights, the Airflow CW looked more like a vehicle from a future that hadn't arrived yet, challenging the status quo of automotive design. Under its gracefully curved hood lay a 323.5 cubic inch engine producing approximately 130 horsepower, a significant figure for its day. This engine, coupled with a 3-speed manual transmission, delivered power with refined smoothness and was known for its durability on long journeys. The Airflow CW Major Bose edition represented Chrysler's highest ambitions, offering a longer wheelbase and more lavish interior than the standard Airflow models. Featuring Art Deco detailing, mohair upholstery, and extensive chrome accents, it was crafted to impress celebrities, dignitaries, and the elite. In comparison to its contemporaries like the Cadillac Series 70 or the Lincoln Model K, the Chrysler CW Airflow took a bold risk with its unorthodox design, favoring aerodynamics and structural integrity over traditional boxy luxury. While its rivals were conservative in shape and rich in ornamentation, the Airflow was engineered from the wind tunnel outward, making it the first production car to consider airflow and drag reduction seriously. Unfortunately, this progressive vision was too advanced for the 1930s market, and the car struggled in sales despite its superiority. Historically, the 1937 Airflow CW stands as a testament to Chrysler's innovative spirit and their willingness to challenge design norms. Though not a commercial success at the time, the Airflow series laid foundational ideas that influenced vehicle design in the decades that followed, particularly in aerodynamics, safety, and unibody construction. The Major Bose edition, with its association to a cultural icon, added celebrity prestige and a hint of exclusivity to an already groundbreaking machine. Today, a fully restored Airflow CW Major Bose is an exceedingly rare gem, often seen as a crown jewel at concours events and vintage car exhibitions. Its role in the future could be monumental, serving as a historic reference for electric luxury sedans seeking to balance futuristic design with practical elegance. It may also inspire bespoke restoration projects or be incorporated into heritage automotive museums, where its legacy can educate future generations. The 1937 Chrysler CW Airflow Major Bose wasn't just ahead of its time, it helped shape what would eventually become modern automotive thinking. In resurrecting and preserving it today, we honor an innovation that dared to dream far beyond its years.